Hello, my name is Andrea Casey, and I am the NRCS Acting Program Manager for the Conservation Innovation Grant Program. Today, I will be reviewing the requirements of the fiscal year 22 Conservation Innovation Grant Competition here in California. Conservation Innovation Grants are a voluntary competitive grant program. It is administered by NRCS at the national and state level as a component of the Environmental Quality Incentives Program. There are a few differences between the state CIG competition and the national CIG competition. First, the application deadlines are different. This year, the California competition opened on April 12, 2022, and will close on June 1st, 2022. The national competition has yet to open, but is expected to be announced soon. Other differences are the project funding caps, project geographic boundaries, and the project priorities. These can all be found in the Notice of Funding Opportunity. CIG purpose. The purpose of CIG is to stimulate the development and adoption of innovative conservation approaches and technologies in conjunction with agricultural production and forestry management. CIG generally funds pilot projects, field demonstrations, and on-farm conservation research. CIG projects can be between 1 and 3 years in duration. CIG projects should result in technology or methods that can be used to augment existing technical guidance and should be designed with an understanding of agricultural practice standards, pertinent assessment tools, and NRCS planning criteria. You can find the practice standards, assessment tools, and planning criteria in the NRCS Field Office Technical Guide. This guide can be accessed from our public website. The Field Office Technical Guide has 5 sections. Sections 1, 3, and 4 will provide you the most information. Section 1 will provide information on the assessment tools. Section 3 will provide information on the resource concerns and planning criteria, and Section 4 will provide information on the NRCS practice standards. California CIG competition, much of the details and priorities regarding the program can be found in the Notice of Funding Opportunity, located in grants.gov. This will be discussed later in the presentation. The deadline to submit applications is June 1st, 2022. There is a maximum funding amount of $150,000 per CIG project. There are 7 California priorities, and I will be your contact for any questions you may have regarding the CIG funding opportunity. As mentioned, California has 7 CIG priorities. These include improve plant and forest health productivity, improve air quality associated with agricultural operations, work with agriculture operations to protect surface and groundwater quality, to improve soil health, to address climate, regulatory compliance, and to enhance habitat for terrestrial and aquatic species. CIG match requirement. Selected applicants may receive CIG grants for up to 50% of the total project cost. CIG recipients must provide a non-federal funding match or cost share at least equal to the amount of federal funding requested. It should be greater than or equal to a 1-to-1 ratio. Matching funds may be committed by the applicant, project partners, or both, and can be a combination of cash and in-kind contributions, services, materials, and equipment. CIG awardees must maintain detailed, auditable records of matching funds expenditures, and CIG projects may be subject to a matching funds verification audit. CIG eligibility. Applications are accepted from all U.S.-based non-federal entities and individuals, and all projects must be carried out in the state of California. There are cost sharing and match requirements, and if CIG projects result in direct payments to producers, The producers must meet EQIP eligibility. CIG Application Completeness. The Notice of Funding Opportunity document located in grants.gov has the information that you will need to successfully apply for the program. Specifically, Sections D and Appendix A will provide details on the content and formatting that is required for the application package. Applications will be screened for completeness and compliance with the provisions of the NFO, and applications that are incomplete and/or not meeting NFO provisions and formatting criteria may be eliminated from competition. Please note, entities must obtain a DUNS number and register in SAM prior to registering in grants.gov. However, a DUNS number is not needed just to view or download the NFO. CIG Proposal Evaluation Criteria. CIG proposals are subject to technical peer reviews, and they are evaluated based on a merit and technical criteria which is listed in the NFO. This criteria includes purpose, approach, and goals for 25 points, innovative technology or approach for 25 points, project management, 25 points, benefits and transferability for 25 points for a 100-point scale. If you're applying for CIG, you can access one of two ways. If you go directly to grants.gov, you can use their search function and enter the Notice of Opportunity funding number. If you choose to go directly from our NRCS website, where you found the notice, if you click on the grants.gov link, it will take you directly to the View Grant Opportunity. And if you click on Related Documents, it will list the documents that you will need in PDF format. And with that, I would like to encourage you to apply and wish you all success. Again, my name is Andrea Casey. I am the contact for Conservation Innovation Grants. I can be reached at area code 530-304-2124, or if email is preferred, andrea.casey@usda.gov. And thank you.